Today, we're getting practical in exploring some techniques to tackle tasks and manage our time more effectively. These strategies can help us break free from the grip of procrastination and achieve our goals with greater ease. The power of breaking down the tasks. One of the biggest hurdles to overcome when we procrastinate is the feeling of being overwhelmed. A large, complex task can seem like a mountain to climb, making it tempting to avoid it altogether. But what if we could transform that mountain into a series of manageable hills? This is where the power of breaking down tasks comes in. By dividing a large project into smaller, more manageable chunks, we can make it feel less daunting and more achievable. Each small step we take becomes a victory, boosting our confidence and motivation to keep going. Here is how you can do it. Start by carefully examining the task at hand. What are the individual components or steps involved? What are the specific outcomes you need to achieve? Second, break the task down into smaller, more manageable pieces. This could be individual actions, subtasks, or milestones. Then just determine the order in which you need to complete the steps. Start with the most important or urgent ones first. The next step is to assign deadlines for each step. This will help you stay on track and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Finally, just take action. Start working on the first step and then the next, and so on. Focus on one step at a time and celebrate each small victory along your way. Time management techniques, your productivity booster. Effective time management is another key ingredient in overcoming procrastination. When we have a clear plan and a structured approach to our tasks, we are less likely to get sidetracked and more likely to stay focused on our goals. Here are some time management techniques to consider. The first thing is to schedule specific blocks of time for different tasks throughout your day. This helps you create a clear structure and avoid distractions. Secondly, utilize the Eisenhower matrix. This tool helps you prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Focus on tasks that are both urgent and important, delegate tasks that are important but not urgent, and eliminate the tasks that are neither urgent nor important. Thirdly, eat the frog by tackling the most challenging or unpleasant task first thing in the morning. By getting it out of the way, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and free up your mental energy for the rest of the day. Lastly, it's just okay to say no to requests or commitments that don't align with your priorities. Protect your time and energy for the things that truly matters. The key takeaway, proactive planning. The common thread running through both task breakdown and time management is the importance of proactive planning. Take the time to plan and organize our task and set ourselves up for success. We are less likely to feel overwhelmed, more likely to stay focused, and more likely to achieve our goals in a timely manner.